Jersey. Live on the Comcast Network and New Jersey 101.5.
Wake up, New Jersey. This is Jim Gearhart with your wake-up call. We'll be talking to you and with you for the next 4 hours. News, sports, traffic, and weather. And your calls all coming up. So dial us up, 1-800-283-101.5. And spend your morning with us because it's time to wake up, New Jersey.
It's 6:01 at News Jersey. Yes, there's snow on the ground in Jersey from roughly Gloucester County northward. And what's on the ground now is what you get. Not a real big deal accumulation-wise. 1 to 3 inches. It's changing over to rain now, and ice shouldn't be too big a worry. New Jersey 101.5 meteorologist Alan Casper says it's not going to be too cold today. Alan will have complete details coming up. Back to school.
Road conditions are very, very poor this morning across the state. Snow in many areas, already changing over to rain and freezing rain. So depending on where you are, you're going to have a bevy of problems to contend with. New Jersey Turnpike, the speed is at 45 miles an hour. And depending on local conditions, you could be down the blacktop or completely snow covered. A bad accident on Route 78 eastbound side through exit 13. That's a combo. 7822 overturned tractor trailer eastbound side, and only the right shoulder is open on 78 eastbound side out of Hunterdon and Warren counties. Another tough accident, westbound Route 80. Jackknife tractor trailer, top of the hill at exit 39, Denville. Only one lane is open west on 80 at exit 39. The parkway is snow covered in the north and central parts of the state. Obviously changing over to a freezing rain near the Raritan tolls. That's going to be a very, very treacherous spot on the parkway. Route 10 eastbound side at 287. We saw a car spin out, smack the divider, wound up on the side of the road. We've called the cops at Hanover. Hudson River crossings, minor delays. Be careful on the approaches to the Lincoln Tunnel. That helix could be very treacherous, and New Jersey Mass Transit is on or close to schedule so far. I'm Bob Williams, New Jersey Traffic North.
I'm Jill Myra, New Jersey Traffic South. Well, we have the changeover as well in Central and South Jersey. That's creating slush on the roadways with all that nice white snow we had. And, well, in the Turnpike, the speed limit down to 45 miles per hour from exit 1 through exit 7. At the Betsy Ross Bridge, the Commodore Barry Bridge, and the Delaware Memorial Bridge, the speed limit is down to 35 miles per hour. So remember, it's illegal to go any faster. 195 is very slushy. 295 and 95, the left lane is mostly snow covered, and the overpasses are very slippery at this point. And that's New Jersey Fast Traffic, sponsored by the New York Life Office of New Jersey. Ever stop to wonder who'll take care of your family when you're gone? Your New York Life agent can help. Call 908-494-5300. New Jersey Fast Traffic every 15 minutes around the clock. Next report at 6:18 on New Jersey 101.
Expressed by the host, callers and guests are not those of New Jersey 101.5. Press Broadcasting, affiliated companies, or their advertisers. Callers are limited to one call every 30 days.
New Jersey 101.5 news time, 6:09. New Jersey 101.5 instant weather.
Yeah, well, here we are with the snow and the rain. The snow rain line is already north of the Route 1 corridor. If you're just joining us this morning, where you been? Pull up a chair, have a cup of coffee, and check it out. We've got rain, snow line somewhere between Route 1 and Route 78. So northern New Jersey in the Sussex and Morris and Warren and on across into the northern part of Union County northward, it's still snowing. When it's all done, or before it changes over in the next few hours, from 1 to 3 inches there. There's been a coating to an inch in central Jersey, maybe a little bit more. Hardly anything at all, just plain rain, and it didn't even snow at all down along the south coast. Bottom line is this will all get out of the way late morning or midday as expected, and just leftover clouds this afternoon. 32 in northwest Jersey, but 47 down toward Atlantic City. Another round of rain later tonight between 9 and midnight begins. Late tonight and early tomorrow, it may mix or change to sleet and snow before it ends tomorrow morning early in the 30s, then partial afternoon clearing 38 to 44. tomorrow afternoon. Clouding up after a sunny start on Sunday. Could be some snow or flurries by late Sunday or Sunday night. This New Jersey weather sponsored by Woodbridge Lincoln Mercury. Has your car been hard to start lately, or have you been stranded? Well, call Woodbridge Lincoln Mercury. They service all makes, all models, plus they offer free towing and same-day service. Call 1-800-32-LINCOLN today. That's 1-800-32-LINCOLN today.
It's 31 in Newark, 33 in Trenton. Atlantic City has 39 degrees. New Jersey weather every 10 minutes. I'm Mary Jo Powell on New Jersey 101.5. Now serving South Jersey on 97.3 FM.
New Jersey 101.5. Our own radio station. Not New York. Not Philadelphia. Proud to be New Jersey 101. 101.5.
Good morning. It's going to be a busy day. We have a lot of announcements for you, and of course, traffic reports, weather reports coming in. But there is one sacred tradition here at this radio station on a Friday morning. Alan, what day is this?
Happily, it's Getaway
It's
Day.
Friday. Everybody all together. Happy, happy, joy, joy. 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 Happy, 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 joy, joy. That's Friday. All right, enough of that. Let's get to work. 6:12. New Jersey chime time, and here are the New Jersey winter weather alert announcements. Let me start with storm closings. These are schools and districts that are closed today. Then I'll get into the list of the delayed openings, obviously because of the weather. Closed: Association for Advancement of Mental Health, Princeton, Berkeley Heights Elementary Schools. Blessed Sacrament School, Martinsville, religious classes canceled for grades 6 to 8. Calais School, Whippany. Catholic Transportation Association of Flemington, no bus service. Chester Township schools, all closed now. Florham Park School District, Hanover Park Regional School District, Hanover Township Public Schools, Immaculata High School, Somerville, Immaculate Conception School, Somerville, Lambertville Public Schools, Long Hill Township Public School District, Morris County, Mendham Borough Schools, Mount Olive Township Public District, Piscataway Township Schools, Regional Day School at Morris, South Hunterdon Regional High School, Stockton Borough School District in Hunterdon, Villa Victoria Academy, West Amwell Township Schools, Wharton Borough and St. Mary's. All those that I've mentioned are closed today. Now at 6:13 on New Jersey 101.5, the delayed opening report. This is alphabetical. Listen for your school. And incidentally, we have these coming in hot and heavy now, so I'll update this very shortly, and we'll have some additions to it. Acorn Montessori School, 9:30 opening. Bethlehem Township District, 90-minute delay. Better Beginnings Heightstown, 9:30 opening. Boonton Township District, 2-hour delay. Clinton Township District, 2-hour delay. Cranberry Presbyterian Nursery School, delayed schedule. Cranford Public Schools, 9:55 opening. Delaware Township School District, Sargentville, a 90-minute delay. Delaware Valley Regional High School and Sending Elementary, 90-minute delay. Dover Public Schools, Morris County, 90-minute delay. East Windsor Regional Schools, 2-hour delay. Ewing Traverse Township Public and Private Schools, 2-hour delay. Franklin Township District, Somerset, 2-hour delay, no morning kindergarten and pre-kindergarten. Hampton Borough District, 10 o'clock opening. Hunterdon County Polytech, North Voorhees Campus, delayed opening. Incarnation School in Trenton, 2-hour delay. You're listening to Winter Weather Alert announcements on New Jersey 101.5. Time now is 6:14. Weather and traffic coming up in a couple of minutes. Continuing, Lawrence Township Schools, Lawrenceville, 2-hour delay. Lebanon Township Regional District, Hunterdon County, a delayed opening. Mendham Borough Public Schools, 10:45 opening. Montgomery Academy Gladstone, 90-minute delay. North Hunterdon and Voorhees High School, 2-hour delay. Pennsbury School District, 2-hour delay. Princeton YWCA YMCA, 11 o'clock opening. Roosevelt Public Schools, Monmouth, 10 o'clock opening. St. Anne's School, Lawrenceville, 2-hour delay. Preschool closed, extended day. St. Paul's School, Princeton, 2-hour delay. Union Township Elementary, Hunterdon, 2-hour delay, no morning kindergarten. Wharton Christian School, Bucks County in Pennsylvania, 2-hour delay, no morning kindergarten and pre-kindergarten. That's the list, and again, there's still new ones coming in. We'll have that updated for you in a few minutes again. Most of our effort this morning will be devoted to this. This is the only statewide source, of course, of weather and traffic and the school reports. So stay with us at New Jersey 101.5 for all the up-to-date information on the three important areas this morning. 6:15, we'll have the weather and traffic.
snow giving way to a little sleet and freezing rain, freezing drizzle, and then just plain old drizzle. Then to the east, low pressure scooting up the coast. We see snow giving way to some sleet and freezing rain, and then just plain rain. It's all rain now in Philadelphia. Snow mixing with a little bit of sleet at JFK. Signs of that warm, moist air surging up the east coast. And as we take a look at the lightning data, heavy thunderstorms in eastern North Carolina early this morning. But look, with our next low pressure developing down here in the Gulf of Mexico, thunderstorms breaking out like crazy here. And there's potential that we could see some severe storms down here in the southeast, especially later today and into tonight, and in particular South Georgia, North Florida. But anywhere from New Orleans right on over to New Bern, we could see some heavy weather today and tonight. Well, here's a look at the radar. Here's Atlanta. Here's Birmingham. And it might be wise for you to bring along your umbrella to work today, because here comes rain, and it's raining hard, and it's raining in a hurry. Everything here moving rapidly northeast, about 40 miles an hour or so. Rain tapering off to drizzle and freezing drizzle. Significant icing did occur over here yesterday in the Piedmont and in the mountains. Along the coast, we see the rain moving by, and here are those thunderstorms, pretty heavy ones, moving through eastern North Carolina. This one right here in particular, earlier, we did have a severe thunderstorm warning for it, but you can see the storm weakened as it moved up across the Outer Banks around Manteo. Okay, here we go. Into the New England states, we see the snow approaching. It's snowing across most of southwest and central Connecticut, snowing in Hartford right now. And ice slip, it's still snowing, snow and sleet at JFK. So as you head down the old LIE, it's going to be kind of slippery. Well, down through South Jersey here, we're looking at rain now moving up, and the precipitation has changed over to rain in Philly. Freezing rain, though, around Harrisburg in the Susquehanna Valley. Okay, let's go to your forecast. Take you through the weekend, and this slug of moisture moves rapidly through the northeast. There'll be a changeover, a rapid one, across the southern New England, and particularly in the coastal regions in the interior. Mainly snow, while down to the south, heavy rain and thunderstorms make a rapid return. And the problem we'll have with this one is cold air trapped in the valleys here, as there probably will be some freezing rain like around the New River Valley and some of those sheltered valleys, southwest Virginia, and then a little rain changing to snow as the precipitation ends. Now, as we look at the amounts of rain,
Weather Channel. No place on earth has better weather.
Well, here's your window of new snowfall since early Thursday. Mostly light amounts elsewhere, with the heaviest isolated locations in parts of the Ohio Valley, southern Ohio, and the central and southern Appalachians. Western North Carolina picked up as much as 3 to 6 inches of snowfall, as well as the mountains of southwest Virginia near Mount Rogers, for instance. Snow today, snow through midnight tonight, will be mainly from the Poconos northeastward, with a band of 3 to 6 inches anticipated from near Scranton and just north of Allentown. Across the Catskill and middle Hudson Valley region, upper Hudson Valley 3 to 5 inches, southern Vermont, New Hampshire, and western Maine the same. The big cities, how about you folks in Boston, Hartford, and New York City? Well, you are seeing snow, or will shortly. But in the case of New York City, it's already changing to rain at JFK Airport while the snow continues in the city, and especially in the northern and western suburbs. We're projecting a couple of inches of accumulation before a changeover eventually to all rain or drizzle later on this afternoon. So highways again will be slick and slushy in some cases, but better for the evening rush hour, we think, particularly the coastal cities from Boston and New York south to Philadelphia and D.C., where things are rather icy at this point. Again, the heaviest snow amounts in the interior, away from the ocean, from northeast Pennsylvania into western Maine. Notice the return of precipitation in the south, with some heavy thunderstorms now rumbling in South Georgia, southern Alabama, and the panhandle of Florida. Meanwhile, back to the snow. It's on your doorstep, Boston, coming into Providence soon. Snowing in Hartford, also in the Connecticut Valley of Massachusetts. The Hudson Valley seeing snow, Lake George region, the southern Adirondacks, the Mohawk Valley. Intermittent snow now falling in Buffalo and Rochester. While in New York City again, precipitation ranges from rain, very close to the ocean, close to JFK Airport. Still snowing at Islip, however. Still snowing at LaGuardia, for that matter. Down New York City, Staten Island, snow at the moment. White Plains, moderate snow snowing at Newark. So it's right near the ocean that the mix is developing, and it will over the entire coastal region in here as the day unfolds. It's already 40 with moderate rainfall in Atlantic City, with a stiff wind coming in east to west off the Atlantic Ocean. Meanwhile, look at these thunderstorms coming back into South Georgia, North Florida. The story in the Northeast, wintry driving. New Jersey Turnpike, Garden State Parkway, New York Thruway, Merritt Parkway, southern Connecticut, icy, slushy conditions. By car, by air traffic to be slower than average today because of the precipitation moving on through. The big cities probably will get a couple inches of snow before a change over to rain as we go.